Hi and welcome to my playhouse. And today I have a robot vacuum cleaner here, and it's my mom's. It works, but the battery is really bad. She says that it runs like 10-15 minutes and then it goes for the charger. And it's supposed to be able to run a lot longer than that. This is a rather expensive brand, iRobot. So I kind of promised that I would have a look at it. I do like robots and I do like fixing stuff. So it should be a good combo, but well, it's not always that cool to be the family repair guy. So, but anyway, we're gonna have a look at it. Maybe we can do something. So, they had a nice box for it and all, so it's just an old dusty robot inside. So we're really just interested in the robot. We're probably, yeah, it's nice and dusty and everything. Mostly interested in the bottom of it, because I'm expecting that the battery will be down there. So the rest, let's get that out of the way. So my mom has had this for some years. Oh, it has a handle. That's neat. Let's see what we have down here. This looks like to be a very nice department for putting a battery. So let's try and see if that ain't it. Do we have an on-off switch somewhere? I do believe it's off, but dust department there. Let's check the battery, what that is. This could be a very nice example of batteries just, oh, there we are, getting out of, oh, very nice pack. Oh, okay, so this is a nickel NiMH battery pack, so they're probably just old and bad. Old battery technology, they just become tired. So I had these batteries which were taken out of a DeWalt drill, and these are really standard batteries, and we can kind of see that it must be about the same cells that are inside here. There's not as many as there was in the DeWalt. So these being 1.2 volts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 of those should give us 14.4 volts, 3000 milliamp hours. Oh, there's some good cells actually, if there are 3000 milliamp hour batteries. But yeah, some of them might be low. I am not sure if it's even worth it to replace this battery. I think we should go and check that at some point. Let's do a bit of measurement here and see what this is. Let's see what voltage we see. 12.48. That is a bit low. Let's charge it a little bit, see what that does. This is the old batteries, and they just get worn out. It's not. If this was lithium-ion batteries, we could do a whole lot replacing this. We might still be able to go and fix it, replace a cell, but I would have to go and get some of these 3000 milliamp hour cells. I think this whole thing might be cheaper. So this is minus, and this is plus. And let's measure if it's right. So I am just, oh, you can't see. Why didn't you say anything? So we are charging with about 15.5 volts. So yeah, let's charge a little bit. I'll go figure out what a new battery like this cost in the meanwhile? Okay, so a tiny little search here. This is Amazon in the UK. If I have to order anything in the United States, it will take too long, and there'll be customs, and there will be shipping, and it's way too expensive. But these batteries are searched for iRobot 775 battery, and they pop right up. Oh, there we are. 31 pounds, 24 pounds, 66 pounds, and so on. But I actually found something interesting. If I go back here, we can see the one that I actually bought. I bought this one. It's a lithium ion replacement for the iRobot. It works with all these different numbers. The 775 is not there, but it also says that it will work with other numbers, and it very much looks like it's gonna be the same thing. And if it works with all of those, well, I should very much think that the 775 will be right in between there, and it's probably just some number that some shop has gotten for some price. So it's going to be very interesting to see when this gets here. It was 39.5 pounds, plus I had to pay some shipping for it. So yeah, that's it's I think it was 9 pounds in shipping, so that was kind of expensive. I paid a few pounds extra for the battery to get here faster, and so I think we'll just pause this video and be right back when this battery arrives. It should be here sometimes this upcoming week. So let's jump right into the battery being here. Snap my fingers.
We're back and see what Rain Man delivered. Well, not actually. I'm not sure if this was the postman, but he delivered a battery, and he delivered it when I wasn't here. I was out. I was at a Nutanix convention, and yeah, instead of putting it in the mailbox where it wouldn't fit, he put it out in the rain. And when I came home, I didn't find it for like 10 days. So yeah, it has arrived. I think it's all good. I do expect that it's packed in plastic, but I haven't really actually opened it more than this. So let's go check. Okay, so here it is, nice and has been wet. So let's get this top wrapping. A big part of why I didn't see it is well, this brown. Well, this one would actually have been easy to see, but the other side is like it blends in very nicely with the Danish weather right now. I'm expecting this is a battery. It should be just like this one. The packaging fits up for that. So let's just check it. I haven't seen it at all. Yeah, it has the same size. It has some thingies here. Oops. My voice might be a bit strange because I have just been sick too. So this video has been delayed even a few days more, which is actually why the cardboard has dried up. It was well, very much more wet when I got it in. So never mind that. But we have the battery here. It's kind of cool. So we have it's not an iRobot battery. It's a Datacenter whatever lithium ion battery, 14.8 volts, 6400 milliamp hours, 94.72 watt hours, which should be considerably better than this. Yeah, this is 14.4 volts, 3000 milliamp hours. So this battery should, according to the text here, be twice as good as this one. Plus, these batteries, they have like 200 times charge discharge before they are not great anymore. Where this one, they claim to have 800 times that you can charge discharge them. So 4 times as many discharges before they're suck. And even then they won't suck as much as this one. This battery, I charged it up when I ended the video before the new battery got here. And I think I charged it with about 16 volts. And it has been sitting for a little bit. And I just wanted to show you what it has dropped down to. It's dropped down to 12.71 volts. And this is a 14.4 volt battery which means that it's under what it's rated for, which means that it's crap. It's, well, these are 1.2 volt cells, so they should be sitting at considerably higher than that. Yeah, so this is no good. Let's check this one as well. It's very light. I hope they put something in there. It's not just... That sits at 14.2 volts. So this is a 14.8 volt battery, so that needs a bit of charging before we should really do anything. So we will put this in, which should be very simple. I think it's just pop goes the weasel. Ooh, crap. It scared me. I thought I turned this off. Let's put on the lid and we're good to go. I could take this apart and start finding bad cells. And it's not as if, well, you can see over here, it's not as if I don't have any cells to replace that with. The big problem is that this is my mom's vacuum cleaner. And you know that you, mom, when it does the slightest hiccup, you know that she has that phone, the direct red line to whoever did this. And she is not gonna hesitate to call and ask, "Morning!" And yeah, it's way better to get a solution that is service free for you, right? So yeah, better solution, even though it's rather expensive. New battery was, well, yeah, I think we saw the price, otherwise I'm gonna put it on the screen. So sometimes it's better to just replace this stuff, especially when this battery is this bad, because I could fix this and it would last 2 weeks and then I would be on it again. Okay, so I dug up the charger. It's blinking here, so there's power on, and I thought that I would just, well, kind of put the vacuum cleaner on top of it and see if it just charges. See that it goes that way. There, charging. All kind of stuff it says over here. This is more fancy than mine. Huh? Okay. Apparently it probably has to be reprogrammed. Oh crap. I have an idea who is gonna be messing with that. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. So it's no problem whatsoever to change that battery, and it's not that expensive compared to buying a new vacuum cleaner. Don't expect that this vacuum cleaner is bad in any other way. It's just battery was depleted. It has been discharging too many times, and it's just, well, those nickel calcium metal hydrate thingies, they ain't any good. I remember the electric tools we had back then. Well, when you picked up your drill to drill a hole, you could start by charging it, because, well, they were just discharging themselves, and they suck. So this lithium ion battery stuff is gonna be way better, I'm sure, and it's very important to keep your mom happy. Christmas is coming, you know, and my birthday is not far out either. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.